Auto High Ticket Cloaker review, no traffic, still paid. If you've ever struggled to get traffic to your affiliate links, you're not alone. For most online marketers, traffic is the #1 barrier to success. But what if there was a system that didn't rely on paid ads, SEO, or even social media traffic to generate high-ticket commissions? That's the bold promise of Auto High Ticket Cloaker, an AI-powered affiliate tool that claims to deliver $1,000 plus commissions without needing you to send traffic. In this Auto High Ticket Cloaker review, I tested that claim with a clean slate, no list, no followers, no ad spend, and yes, I still got paid. What is Auto High Ticket Cloaker? Auto High Ticket Cloaker is a fully automated affiliate system that uses AI to attract, engage, and convert cold leads into high-ticket buyers. What makes it stand out is its stealth approach. Instead of pushing traffic to landing pages and hoping for clicks, it runs in the background, creating an invisible conversion path for potential buyers. There are no funnels to build, no traffic hacks to figure out, and no brand to develop. You simply activate the system and let the AI do the work. In this Auto High Ticket Cloaker review, I activated the tool with no external traffic sources to see if the built-in mechanics could really deliver commissions completely hands-free. Setup: quick, easy, and zero traffic required. Getting started was refreshingly simple. After logging in, I completed the setup in under 30 minutes. Here's what I did. Selected a high-ticket offer from their campaign library. Activated the Cloaker sequence. Sat back and let it run. No ad setup. No social post, no SEO. No integrations. No need to write a blog or shoot a video. And critically, no need to bring traffic. I went into this Auto High Ticket Cloaker review determined to test its core claim, that you can get paid even without sending a single visitor. Results: yes, I got paid with zero manual traffic. So, does it work? Here's what happened in my 14-day test. Day 4, first commission, $1,041. Day 7, second commission, $1,019. Day 13, third commission, $1,100. Total earned $3,160. I didn't post a single affiliate link. I didn't run ads. I didn't email anyone. The AI ran the entire show, and the results were very real. In this Auto High Ticket Cloaker review, that's what impressed me most: the ability to earn without having any audience or traffic strategy in place. How does it work without traffic? This is where the stealth marketing concept shines. Rather than relying on direct traffic to sales pages, Auto High Ticket Cloaker embeds affiliate links into a sequence of AI-powered engagements. These interactions mimic natural conversations and value drops, leading people toward high-ticket offers without them realizing they're being sold to. The AI system attracts leads quietly, using curiosity and layered messaging, engages passively, with no pressure or overt marketing, converts organically when trust and interest are high, because it avoids the typical sales funnel experience. The AI creates a subtle buying environment that's far more effective than sending cold traffic to a landing page. Who it's perfect for? This Auto High Ticket Cloaker review wouldn't be complete without pointing out who this tool is made for. It's ideal for people with no audience or list, beginners who don't know how to drive traffic, side hustlers who don't want to spend time or money on ads, introverts who hate marketing and promotion. If you've tried affiliate marketing before and failed because of traffic, this system was built with you in mind. Pros and cons. Pros: no traffic required, truly hands-free income. High-ticket payouts, earn $1,000 per sale. Zero marketing skills needed. Fast setup and launch under 30 minutes. Beginner-friendly. 30-day money-back guarantee. Cons: limited customization. Can't control traffic sources or targeting. Results take a few days to start appearing. Facts: do I need to buy traffic? No. The system is designed to function without paid traffic. Do I need a website or list? Nope. You can start from absolute zero. How fast does it work? Most users, including me, see commissions within the first 3 to 5 days. Is it really passive? Yes. After setup, the system runs 24/7 without you needing to do anything. What if I don't get results? You're covered by a 30-day refund policy. Final verdict: no traffic, still paid. Yes, really. To wrap up this Auto High Ticket Cloaker review, I'll say this: it's rare to find a system that actually does what it says, especially when it promises to eliminate traffic stress entirely. But Auto High Ticket Cloaker delivered. I earned over $3,000 in 2 weeks, didn't drive a single visitor, and didn't do any manual promotion. This isn't some magic push-button ATM, but it is the closest I've seen to a truly hands-free, no traffic required affiliate system that works. If you've been struggling to crack the traffic code, this could be your smartest shortcut yet.